Good day, my wonderful learners. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel and I want to encourage you to subscribe. I also encourage you to watch my previous videos on quadratic equation so that you will understand the concept of the topic. Today we just want to solve these two questions. These are past questions in WAEC. The first question, the root of 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0 are A and B. Find the difference between A and B. Then the second question says, if 3 is a root of the quadratic equation x squared plus bx minus 15 is equals to 0, find the value of B. Let's solve the first question. Solution. In the first question, we need to find the root of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 5s plus 2 is equals to 0. And if you watch my previous videos, you will discover that we have 4 methods that we can use to solve this quadratic equation. You can use factorization method, you can use completing the square method, you can use quadratic formula, and you can also use graphical method. I prefer to use factorization method. So what you need to do is to multiply. You have 2x squared times 2, which will give us 4x squared. Then you need the factors of 12, the two factors of 12, that when you multiply it is going to give you 4s squared, and by the time you add or subtract, you are going to have minus 5s. So the two factors of 4 are 1 multiplied by 4, then you also have 2 times 2, 4s squared. 2 plus 2, or probably 2 minus 2, cannot give you minus 5s. So you are going to make use of 1 and 4. And how will you operate this? In order to have minus 5s, so you are going to have minus 1 minus 4. Then you are going to add s to it. So that means you are going to have 2s squared minus s minus 4s plus 2 is equals to 0. Then the next step is to group them. And after grouping them, you bring out the common factors. Here, x is the common factor. So you are going to have s in bracket of 2s minus 1. And the common factor here is minus 2. You are going to have 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. And I said it in my previous video that if what you have within the bracket here is not equivalent to what you have in the other side, that means you are wrong. So you need to take note of that. So we are going to have s minus 2 in bracket of 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore, s minus 2 is equals to 0, or 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. So s is equals to 2, or 2s is equals to 1. S is equals to 2, or s is equals to 1 over 2. These are the two possible values of x, which are a and b. And the question asks us to find the difference. So let's assume that a is equal to and b is equals to 1 over 2. So that means the difference, that will be a minus b. You are going to have 2 minus 1 over 2. And this will give you 1 and a half. Then the second question. If 3 is a root of the quadratic equation s squared plus bs minus 15 is equals to 0, find the value of b. Out of the two roots of this quadratic equation, we are given one of the roots. We are given the value of one of the roots, which is 3. So all you need to do is to substitute the value. So s is equals to 3 when s is equal to 3. So we are going to substitute the value of 3 into this quadratic equation. So you are going to have 3 squared plus b into 3 minus 15 is equals to 0. 3 squared will be 3 times 3, which will give us 9, plus b times 3 will give us 3b, minus 15 is equals to 0. 9 minus 15 will give us minus 6. So you are going to have minus 6 plus 3b is equals to 0. Then, by the time we take minus 6 to that side of the equation, it will become plus. So we have 3b is equals to 6. And for us to get the value of b, we need to divide both sides by 3. b is equals to 6 over 3, which will give us 2. Thank you.